Here's a quick little video on how to set and take off stepper motor needles on a cluster. So first step is taking a picture of exactly where this stop point is on the low side or the zero side, and then also taking a picture of where it is on the high side. So I typically take it off from the low side. I will pinch the hub and rotate up. This one's already been off a couple times, so it is easier than most of them. A lot of them you'll have to get 3/4 of the way around before pulling up and out. Doing that rotation against the stepper motor stop to get it on. And then when resetting the needle, I'll set it a little bit higher than the zero, just lightly, and then bring it back to the 0 point, and then recheck the high point and back to the 0 point, and then press it back on a little bit harder. You want to make sure that there is at least a business card width underneath the needle so that the needle isn't catching on the face anywhere. So you can do that. So this one did slip a little bit when I pressed it on harder to the one direction. So you can kind of come back that way and just play with it a little bit till it's exactly where you want. Like that. So that's it. It's pretty simple. You don't want to be grabbing out here and pressing on the long end of the needle. You want to do most of your work from the hub.